My 5 Signature Themes by Amber Hoxton. Topic 1, Relator. Topic 2, Belief. Topic 3, Developer. Topic 4, Futuristic. Topic 5, Strategic. As a quote/picture on this page, I decided to use be kinder than necessary. I feel you never know what somebody's going through, and you should always be nice and kind, and it can make a huge difference with someone or something. Relator. This describes my relationship towards others. I tend to get to know people very well, such as their feelings, goals, and fears. I genuinely care about people and what they are going through. For this slide, I chose this picture, which I know some people may take differently than the way I understand it, but I chose this because I feel it shows the sense of someone and what they could be feeling. It could be emptiness, it could be sorrow, it could be hate, it could be anger, despair. I just feel like for me, this picture says a lot of what somebody could be thinking about or going through, and it's them looking at themselves or how they see themselves. Belief, meaning I have high ethics and value responsibility in both others and myself. This makes me dependable and easy to trust. For this, I chose this little picture here because I think it says a lot, especially about me and how I am, especially with this belief scenario. We have integrity, we have caring, service, friendly, people, excellence, adaptability, diversity, ethical, again, responsibility. I think this just shows a lot of who I am, what this says, especially for me. I work in the medical field where being ethical is top of the line. It's no ifs, ands, or buts. That's just how it is, and that's how I do things, and that's how I believe. And I believe everybody should be held accountable and be responsible for their own actions, regardless of why. Developer. I see potential in others. I look for possibilities in everyone to help them reach their fullest potential and help them succeed. With this, I chose the kitten and the lion with the picture. I think this shows a lot of where you could become, what you could succeed, how your life could be versus where you're at the moment. Futuristic. The future fascinates me. I create vivid pictures that others can see for a better outcome. For this, I chose this picture in this quote by Eleanor Roosevelt of, "The future belongs to those that believe in the beauty of their dreams." This seems like an older picture, maybe of Paris, that I think speaks volumes. It shows that if you keep your dreams high and you keep believing in what you're doing, that you can have a good outcome. It doesn't always have to end bad. Strategic. Enables me to deal with clutter and find the best route. I tend to plan and deal with different or difficult plans to keep moving forward. With this, I chose this picture of various pathways, per se. There's bumpy, there's straight, there's smooth, there's hard, winding. There's many scenarios that I think you can get from this picture, and I think that shows a lot of probably how 99% of people feel a lot, where things may seem very difficult, but at the end, as long as you keep trying and pushing forward, you'll get to where you want to end up. Developer. I believe developer describes me to the best because I genuinely enjoy finding potential in everyone. I enjoy watching them grow and master things they never thought were possible. I love being able to support people and let them know that they're not alone. For this one, I found these two pictures that I really enjoyed. The first one is the two hands with the sunshine, meaning be there for somebody. Do what you can. Give a helping hand. Just be there. And with this, I gather, the backside is kind of dark, the other side is sunshine. So I think this kind of shows a lot as far as it could always be better on the other side. It just depends on how you're looking at it. The second picture is never be afraid to help others in their time of need. You never know when you may need that shoulder to lean on. I think we've all probably been there in scenarios where we just, wanted somebody to talk to, just wanted somebody to listen, just somebody to tell us it's going to be okay, just knowing we weren't alone. And I think the picture of the little boy and the puppy shows that very well. Relator is the theme I believe I use the most. This is because I tend to be a listener. I like being there for others, especially if they're feeling down, just need to talk, or express their feelings. Futuristic, I think, was the theme that I was surprised the most by. I do see how I can inspire others with my thoughts for the future, but I never imagined it being one of my bigger strengths. Belief is something I will be using throughout most of my college career. I will face a lot of challenges where I am needing to keep my ethics and standards high. Being responsible will be very important.